A somber start to the trading week in the UK. The London Stock Exchange and all trading venues, including Cboe London Equities, will pause business today in honor of the funeral service for Queen Elizabeth II. We have Dan Deming at KKM Financial watching the market action for us this weekend. Dan, what do you think here? I have to believe that many traders will be watching what's happening with the funeral today.
Yeah, Angie, I mean, certainly that's something that the market's going to be focused on, or I should say the world is going to be focused on, and therefore it will impact the market. It will certainly impact liquidity. And at this time of volatility, it certainly could have an impact on how the U.S. markets are priced today and moving forward. But overall, yeah, it is a somber day in the transition that's taking place in the UK, and and especially with the momentum that the markets continue to realize. So it's potential for increased volatility.
It's also a big week in the U.S. It's a Fed week with that Fed decision coming down on Wednesday. What is the market anticipating here, Dan?
Absolutely. Yeah. This week, certainly where the markets, the indexes are currently priced, at the lowest level here in quite some time, trending possibly back down towards those June lows. And the Fed meeting with the market highly anticipating how the Fed is going to not only move in this meeting, is it going to be 75 or 100, also how they're going to enunciate further policy. And so I think this is going to continue to realize real increased volatility when we look at the market price action.
Technically, is the stock market showing signs of breaking down?
Well, we're breaking through some key technical levels now. Earlier in the week, earlier last week, we did peak above, the 50-day moving average, and then gave it up very quickly. And now with this momentum, I think you have to look at the levels of the June lows as potentially in play now if we, as we continue to realize further downside.
Thank you so much, Dan. Have a good week.
All right. Thanks, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.